guys, and today I'm going to try out something scary that I never done in my whole entire life. And I'm going to try to DIY a hoodie, which is this hoodie that I have. It's just a simple black Riverdale hoodie that has the Southside Serpent on the back of it and the Riverdale logo at the front of it. And it's just a simple black hoodie that I really don't wear. I wore it like once or twice because I don't know, there was something about it that I just didn't like, and I'm going to try to DIY it to something that I might like. Or it will just turn out to be a big disaster and I'll just bin it. So what I want to do with this hoodie is I want to crop it a bit, just a tiny bit, because I'm not going adventurous here, because crop hoodies and tops for guys is just not a big thing. And I don't really see them, but I'll try to do something with it. And then I have a zip that I'll be gluing on. Yes, I'm going to glue it because I'm not a good sewer, and we're just going to work with hot glue gun. We're going to have a zip going down the middle of the hoodie, and I am thinking about cropping the sleeves a bit as well, just not too drastic, but we're going to see how it goes. It'll probably be a disaster, but I have my hot glue gun, I have a pair of scissors, I have the zip. Let's go, let's try, and I'll see what I can do. Right, so I have a pair of scissors. We'll just go straight into it. I am going to cut just on the line here, because I am definitely not cutting halfway through the pocket, because that's just stupid, and I'm not cutting above the pocket because that is way too cropped for me. And we'll just dig in. We're halfway there, and I am sweating like hard. Like, it's just getting hot in here as a sneeze. Right, we didn't measure anything because who needs measuring? We're halfway there cutting, you know, we're chopping things off, and I'm just like looking at it, I'm like, so far it doesn't look too bad, but like, I don't have my hopes up about the back, but I think so. I know what I could do with the back when I'm done with it. Yeah, I think so. I know what I'll do with the back when I'm done with it. So, let's keep cutting, I guess. Right. So now we have this left over. And we cropped it, I guess. It's a disaster looking. Not gonna lie, it looks atrocious. But what I'm going to do now with it is I'm just going to see if it works. Yeah, pretty sure I can see. Yeah, just need to measure it, but like, once again, who needs measuring? Not me. Yeah, I think so. I can see it happening. Maybe not at the front. The front seems fine if I actually do it right, but the back needs to. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is get our trusty glue gun and start gluing. It's pretty much cropped, and I did what I wanted to do it. So here's a bit of a result so far. Right now it's still a bit messy, but we're still cleaning it up. But like, I chopped off some bits that were hanging, and I folded in the back to make it not so choppy as it looked. And yeah, the front is fine. Looks a bit choppy, but I feel like I can fix that with a bit of scissoring. Yeah. But I really don't know what I'm doing. I am kind of like, you know, eyeballing everything, which is probably such a bad idea. If you're planning to do this, do measuring. Don't ever eyeball things, because it's not a great idea. I'm just eyeballing. And you just get some choppy bits that are everywhere. But it's all about, you know, you get the scissors and then you just start cleaning up. You know, clean up those choppy bits and you'll be fine. Anyway, so the next thing that we have to move on is probably, I thought this was going to be the hardest part, but it's not. Right now it's going to be about cutting the half, cutting it in half and trying to glue on the zip. I don't know. I'm scared. So I have the zip right here. I'm kind of measured it. Probably every single person who knows what they're doing are screaming at me because they're like, Alex, you're doing it wrong! And I am probably doing it wrong, but I just did a little bit of eyeballing and measuring. So right in the middle, and I marked where I'm going to stop cutting to not go all the way through because the zip, you know, has an end point. And I'm scared to start chopping. But we already started this DIY and there's no turning back, and even if it turns out bad, I won't be as sad because I still don't wear this hoodie anyway, but I'm just planning to wear it now if it actually turns out good. So let's go. Righty, so we got the zip glued on. It doesn't look too bad. Like, the top of it is a bit choppy, but let's see if it does the job. Okay, it does the job. I never thought it would be that easy to glue on a zip, but it does the job. It's still a bit rough, but I feel like it's just the glue gun in the way of the zip, which would probably be another idea. It's a good idea to sew it on instead of gluing it, but if you're gentle and if you're slow down, it might actually do the job. Now, and the last thing that we have to do is crop the sleeves, which I'll just see that I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I probably shouldn't be doing this because I'll probably won't cut them the right size, but maybe if I just, like, we already have a lot done. We cropped it, we put glued on the zip. Like, I'm pretty happy with myself so far, but like, do I want to keep going and cut off the sleeves, or should I just leave it? I think so, I'm done. I don't want to be any more adventurous, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to fuck it up if I cut the sleeves. So we have the result. We cropped it, we did the zip, and my first time trying it out, not too bad, you know. As everybody will say, could have been better, but it's not too bad for my very first time, and I'm pretty proud of myself. So I'm going to try it on. we got our result, and I was pretty happy with it, you know. It's pretty good, like, you know, you could wear it, obviously. And I got the zip. The zip was probably the struggle, but I was really scared. I was like, what if it doesn't work out, like? And then it actually works out, so that's good. Crop, it doesn't feel like a crop top to me, or a cropped hoodie. But it's like, I know it's cropped, but it just doesn't feel like a cropped hoodie. But I feel like it's fine. I'll be fine. I'll be totally maybe wearing it now. Like, we'll see if I'll find the appropriate outfit to wear with. Right now, it's definitely not, because I was wearing this and I was roasting in it because it's, I don't know, it's really warm. Like, it's thick, it's black, and it's warm outside, and I'm like roasting in it. So I immediately took it off once I finished filming. So yeah, and you know, try out maybe something yourself, you know, try out DIY your clothes right now, maybe it'll be fun like I did, and yeah, I'll see you whenever I upload next.